Hi, the sights and sounds of Christmas are everywhere, but I just had to stop to tell you thank you very much for having subscribed to Talk Jamaica and spending 2021 with me as I expose my Bonononos language and culture to the world. I will be back in early January 22, so share these videos with your friends, tell them about it, and have yourself a wonderful Christmas. And I wish for you and your family good health and prosperity in 2022. Zine, walk with my friend.
In a situation.
Today